man, this is awesome, though. Whoa, yes, Mary! Ah! 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 Ah, somebody just shot me. Ah! Something hit me in my back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah!
You got shot?
Something in my back, my back. Somebody just shot me with a pellet gun. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Call 911.
Ah!
Call 911.
Ah! My back. Ah! My back. Ah!
You want me to call 911?
My back, right up here. My back, someone shot me right there.
Right here?
Right there.
Right up here?
Right there. Ah, right there.
Right there?
Ah!
You want me to call 911 for you, sir?
Ah!
You here, Daddy?
Oh, that's a pellet gun. That's a pellet gun. Someone's shooting. Someone just shot me with a pellet gun.
Yeah.
Ah! They're shooting.
Pellet gun.
Ah! Right there. That's where they shot me at. That's where they shot me, right there. Ah! Ow!
There's a key out the window.
Ah! Ah!
Somebody go get a car.
Oh!
I'm trying to call the PR girl.
You're right there.
Get the fire truck.
That's where it hit me at. Ow!
Somebody shot him with a pellet gun.
Ah!
Yeah.
Somebody's shooting, they shooting it now.
At least another 2 shots.